Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down, and right here we've got the option navigation bar, so let's tap. And as you can see at the top we've got 2 available options. So if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do, and you wish to set the buttons, simply tap on buttons here. And instead of the line you've got this 3 buttons. Here we've got the recent, so you can open previously opened apps. Here you can come back directly to the home page, and back button to get back to the previous page. You can also tap on more options, and here you can reorder the back button and the resend. So it's up to you which configuration is more comfortable for you. Here we've got also the assistant app, so you can touch and hold the home button, so this one, to open the digital assistant app. It's up to you if you wish to use it or not. If you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on this option here. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for specific gestures. Here we've got more options, and we can change the gesture sensitivity just by using the switcher to set it on lower or higher side. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because after that you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends whether you're using the case, for example, etc. So highly recommend to get it back after a while. And now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures, because I'm not sure, I cannot see the tutorial here, so let me explain. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you wish to come back and directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you wish to quickly change between the apps, so for example here we've got the settings and here Smart Tutor, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger at the bottom from the left to the right or from the right to the left. Simply like that. And as you can see, we can quickly switch between previously opened apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.